version 2.0. This is test number 1. Well, I guess it's test number 2. I already found out that it does not hover, but it fills up the bag really nicely, actually, the skirt. And the next thing that we need to do is, well, I'll show you a full blast. Fills up nice. I can stand on it on the concrete. It almost loses no pressure whatsoever, which is great. The only problem is, let me turn it down real quick. Actually, the reason it does that is because of these. This thing down here is a square, and because that's a rectangle, so it's got these little crinkles in it, and the air is just going through those and not making a nice thing. So what I'm going to do now is cut these two where these two screws are, and I'm going to make one bar that goes. Let's see if I can get this. See, I'm going to make one bar that just goes from this screw to this screw, just like that. That way it'll be a little bit more uniform. Airflow will be a little bit better. So yeah, I'm going to try that out. And yeah, the end.